Okay, so I've basically already done base makeup like a little bit, so I won't give a fuck about that. I need to move my hair some though, otherwise it's gonna fall on my face. I usually just start with my eyes, cause as they say in the movie House Bunny, the eyes are the nipples of the face. I don't even know what that means, but we'll roll with it. I don't actually have any actual like eyebrow stuff. I keep forgetting to buy it. When I buy makeup, I'm just like, oh, I need this and that, but I never remember what I actually need, so deal with it. I don't do it the way it's supposed to be done. I just do it the way I feel like doing it. So I use like a, kind of like a, how do I explain this? Like a sharp brush? It looks like a guillotine. That's what it looks like. You know, like the blade of a guillotine is kind of like sharp and also like diagonal. Does that make sense? Let's use the guillotine brush. Just bit by bit. Always do makeup bit by bit. Otherwise, there will be big fucking mistakes. Trust me, okay? Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was my face. I kind of want to shave my eyebrows again. Not all of them, but you just like shave off the tips. Then you can shape them however the fuck you want, basically. Freedom in the middle of a panini comes in the shape of shaving your eyebrows. I'm such a philosopher when I do my makeup. This is insane. It's like I entered a realm different from our own. I'm like Bob Ross. I just do what I can with what I have. It doesn't even matter. Now, the fun part, eyeshadow. I fucking love doing eyeshadow because that's where I can be the most creative usually. I'm doing a Valentine's Day look, right? So I guess like pink and red is my best choice. I need to clean these. Clean your brushes regularly. It's advice I need to listen to, but I don't. But I'm gonna tell you anyway, because I'm a good old hypocrite. Actually, before I do my eyeshadow, I'm gonna do e-girl blush, because why not? Let's do e-girl makeup. E-girl Valentine's Day makeup. Okay, so for blush, I don't actually have any blush, because I just lost my blush and now it's gone and I can't be bothered to buy a new one. AK, I keep forgetting. So I'm gonna use my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use these red hues right here, just to use that as my blush, okay? No one needs to know. So long as it doesn't fuck with your skin or anything like that. Whatever. Who gives a shit, right? Not pink enough. Let's do Rudolph. I always try to breathe out of my nose while doing that, otherwise the powder just goes up my nose and I start sneezing. How do I want to do this? I don't actually have a game plan. I'm gonna put some white eyeshadow on. That looks stupid right now, but trust me. Let's do red now, because red is like very Valentine's Day. Maybe I should be more clear with what brushes I'm using. This is just like a, it's kind of like a rounded off brush, but it's a bit flat. I can be more detailed with it, like it won't just go everywhere, it will just go exactly where I want it to. We're making a start. Still don't know entirely what else I want to do, but I'll figure it out. I'm like Bob the Builder, but Croft the Krilder. I've been at this eyeshadow for like 5 years, but I'm trying to like make it a little bit sharper out here. Something. Fuck it, whatever. I don't feel like I'm done yet. I kind of want to do some shit down here. Maybe. No. Maybe? No. Maybe? I don't know. Let me do my eyeliner. I'm just gonna use like an actual, just like a eyeliner pen. I'm out of liquid eyeliner. Starting like a bit, like under. God, eyeliner is a pain. Is that straight? Oh, fuck. It's good enough. Whatever. Sometimes you just gotta be happy with what you got. Fucking Bob Ross. Croft Ross. Bob Croft. Like Bob the Builder and also Bob Ross. Because I made both of those jokes. Oh my fucking god. I'm onto something here. I am ascending. I'm gonna see if I can like lay down I have an idea, okay? I'm gonna draw like small hearts. I should probably relax my eye while I do that. I should have probably used a better brush for this. Actually, this is fine. That doesn't even look like a heart to you guys. I promise it's a heart. See? That was a failed fucking heart. Looks like a peanut. Oh no! It looks like a banana! I got heart eyes, motherfucker! Do I do like red hearts around here too? I don't know if they'll actually be visible though. I can try it. Sometimes you just gotta try new things and see how it works out for you. Ah! Not again, it looks like a bean! Watch my clothes! Oh my god, Yu-Gi-Oh! Look.
The second one.
Oh, did I make this a bean again? Oh my god. This is Fall Guys makeup. I kinda like this. This is looking cute. Get me some more of that lipstick to put somewhere that isn't my lips, cause I'm a creative person and I don't follow rules. I'm gonna like make my makeup look a little bit like smudged almost, just because I love that smudged look. I'm gonna just use some of that excess red I had from earlier and just kind of smudge it out like this. You can barely see it. Just a little bit. You could see like a tinge or whatever. A hint of smudge. Yes, contour. That's what I was mentioning. I'm not gonna do very much because I already have like blush on my face. I don't need it. Just doing some. Just like, oh god, with headphones it's gonna be hard. And then, since we're doing like an e-girl style type shit, I need to get that button nose. I'm using like a blending brush, like an eyeshadow blending brush for this. It's really round and fluffy. Super nice. Very... I'd love to just live in this brush. You know what I mean? Just gonna like blend it with my fingers. Cause fuck it. You're not supposed to use your fingers. I am not supposed to give a fuck. To kind of get that really clear. The illusion of my nose being very sharp. There we go. I'm just gonna put like white eyeshadow on. Because it just looks like shine. There we go. Also, just because I'm at it, I'm just gonna add some extra to the corners of my eyes. Yeah, something like that, I guess. Boop. I'm gonna add some, kind of like add fake eyelashes under here. It's not very visible to you guys, I think, but you can see it little. Let me put the lashes on now, because I hate my life. Okay, let's do this nightmare. Nightmare shit, let's go! Get on, you stupid piece of shit. I hate you! People always say like, oh, use tweezers! It just gets harder for me if I use tweezers. I don't know why. Let's see, come on. Yes, bitch, you can do this. I believe in you so fucking hard. I do, I promise, I do. Now let's put on the heartsies. to have these little thingies. Are you going to focus? There you go. Oh no! The only glue I have is black glue. Fuck. Oh god, I'm so worried that I'm gonna fuck something up. What if I just put it like there? I'm probably just gonna leave it at those two, because since I have black glue, I'm like instantly iffy about the idea. Now lips. Kinda hurts like use some of the excess eyeshadow at the top of my lip. Kind of make like the cupid's bow or whatever, kind of make that into a round shape instead. Kind of make it like smudged in a way. A little here as well. Give you that kind of soft look. And then I'm gonna actually apply lipstick on twice. I'm gonna apply like a more kind of like nude type shade first. And then I'm gonna use my red. So I'm gonna have just like a slight bit of red like down here. And then it makes it kind of softer in a way, so it's like more neutral towards the outer parts, and then in the middle it's more red. Hair time! Oh god. Take these off, I guess. There we go. Something like this.